This part of the bulletin is brought to you by Gautam Bali Makeup Studio and Academy, Sector 1, Chanihima, Jammu.
Good evening. You're watching the news now. I am Anmol Mattu with the news at 5. So let's have a look at the headlines first. At least 9 candidates from Jammu and Kashmir, including 22-year-old, have cracked the Union Public Service Commission UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020, the result of which has been declared. According to the UPSC's list, there are 761 successful candidates, including 545 men and 216 women who have cleared the test, conducted annually to select the country's bureaucrats, diplomats and police officers among the civil servants. As per the results, Bihar's Shubham Kumar and Madhya Pradesh Jagrati Avasthi have achieved the first and second ranks respectively in the coveted civil services examination. A 17-year-old boy drowned in Nala Sindh in Central Kashmir district of Ganderbal, official sources said. They said a group of youth was taking bath in Nala in Dudarhama yesterday evening. A youth identified as Muhammad Azam Shah drowned, they said, adding the other people present in the area tried to rescue him but failed. They said a search and rescue operation was immediately launched, following which the body of the youth was recovered. After completing all the legal and medical formalities, the body of the deceased was handed over to the relatives for last rites. In the ongoing investigation against the outlawed Jamaat-e-Islami group in the terror funding case, the NIA has been planning another series of raids against its cadres in Jammu and Kashmir next week. These raids would be in the continuation or to the 61 search operations conducted by the anti-terror agency sleuths on the August 8 and August 9 in Srinagar, Budgam, Ganderbal, Baramulla, Kupwara, Bandipora, Anantnag, Shopian, Pulwama, Kulgam, Ramban, Doda, Kishtwar and Rajouri districts in Jammu and Kashmir. Highly placed sources in the NIA said that the fresh set of searches would be conducted on the premises of JEI cadres and their supporters across Jammu and Kashmir anytime next week. Divisional Commissioner Jammu, Dr. Raghav Langar, directed the Deputy Commissioners to immediately submit the list of deadwood employees of Revenue Department as per the direction of the government. The DivCom issued these directions while chairing a video conference meeting convened to review the progress in the districts in this regard. He directed Deputy Commissioners to expeditiously complete the verification exercise to facilitate removal of the non-performers as per the provisions of the Civil Service Regulations 1956. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha congratulated all those who qualified for the UPSC examination 2020 from J&K. Wishing them a bright future, Mr. Sinha said, "You are a true inspiration for our youth." In a tweet on his official Twitter handle of Mr. Sinha said, "Heartiest congratulations to all those from J&K who qualified for UPSC exam 2020. They are the true inspiration for our youth. I wish all of them a bright future." Traffic resumed on the National Highway, the only road connecting the Union Territory of the Ladakh with the Kashmir Valley. Traffic was allowed on the both sides of the highway after remaining suspended on Friday for weekly maintenance and repair at Zojila Pass. Kashmir-bound vehicles will be allowed in the morning from 6 am till 11 am. Later, Ladakh-bound vehicles from Sonmarg in central Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir Bank allotted shares worth Rs 5.17 crore to the staff under its recently issued J&K Bank Employees Stock Purchase Scheme ESPS 2021. An official spokesman said. He said the bank's compensation committee of board of directors in its meeting held today allotted over Rs 5.17 crore equity shares to the 8,961 eligible employees of the bank against the share subscription amount received under its ESPS 2021. Notably, the ESPS got an overwhelming response from the bank staff, resulting in the oversubscription of the issue, and the shares have now been allotted to the employees in proportion to the already laid down eligibility criteria. Scores of people at Badgun Handwara in North Kashmir held a protest sit-in here demanding repairment of Badgun Bridge, which they said is defunct for the last 8 months. R&B department has neglected the area. This is our third sit-in protest in the recent days, but the department seems not to be bothered at all, they said.
और डीसी साहब ने भी इस आवाम को एक दिलासा दिया था कि जल्द काम शुरू हो जाएगा, मगर 6 मंथ में ऐसा दिखने को नहीं मिला कि 80,000 लोग इस पुल से वाबस्ता है और वो 80,000 लोग अभी परेशानी हाल है। इसीलिए आज हमने ये प्रोटेस्ट यहाँ पे किया। ये तब तक जारी रहेगा जब तक इस पुल पे काम शुरू नहीं हो। मैंने बात की है, यहाँ की आवाम भी मिली थी उनसे और इन्होंने बहुत बार इनसे वो दिलासा दिया था, बाकी डिपार्टमेंटों ने भी दिलासा दिया था। एक्चुअल इस पे काम नहीं हुआ और मैं आवाम के साथ इस वक्त शाना बशाना। अगर सरकार होने की बात नहीं होती है, सरकार तो बाहर है, यहाँ गवर्नमेंट अभी गवर्नर चला रहे हैं। जो नीचे काम नहीं हो रहा है हम वही तो देखना चाहते हैं, हुआ क्या, काम क्यों नहीं हुआ। अगर 6 मंथ में इनको बताया गया, 2-3 बार बताया गया कि इस पे काम शुरू होगा, तो काम क्यों नहीं शुरू हुआ, वही तो मैं जानना चाहता हूं। एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की लापरवाही है, इन्होंने काम नहीं किया, वो क्या मसला है, कैसे क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, क्या दिक्कतें।
Candle Vigil March held on the banks of the Dal Lake by youth of Kashmir. They paid tribute to Advocate Babar Qadri, who was killed by Pakistan-sponsored terrorists on 24th September 2020. One of the Kashmir youth, namely Asif, organized a program under the banner of Aakhir Kab Tak.
कीजिए, यूएन में आप वो चीज बोलिए, यूएन में आप दूसरे ड्रामा करेंगे। ये जो कैंपेन आपने छेड़ी है कश्मीरी को मारने के लिए, हम कश्मीरी स्पेशली नौजवान इस कैंपेन के खिलाफ है। जो ये पाक स्पॉन्सर टेररिज्म है, ये मुहिम चली है। एंड आखिर कब तक इज दैट इनिशिएटिव जो हर एक जो शहीद हुए इन पाकिस्तान टेररिज्म के जो अंडर जो शहीद हुए उन सबको खराज अकीदत करता है। एंड ये मुहिम बेशक आज कम लोग होंगे, बट वो दिन दूर नहीं जिस दिन कश्मीर के हर एक घर से फर्द निकलेंगे और पाकिस्तान की साजिश को एक्सपोज करेंगे। बिकॉज अब बहुत हो गया। खुदारा कोई आप में से भी जर्नलिस्ट में भी कोई जवाब देना, बाबर कादरी साहब ने कितने कत्ल किए थे, उसने कितने कश्मीरी मरवाए थे, उसकी 2 बेटियों के लिए कोई जवाब है किसी को? नहीं है। कोई सामने आया? नहीं आया। यार खुदारा आप सीधे बोलिए ना, आपको पावर चाहिए, आपको कश्मीर के रिसोर्सेज चाहिए, आपको कश्मीरी नहीं चाहिए। ये जो आप ये डोंग रच रहे कश्मीर।
COVID vaccination has been given a boost in J&K. In Jammu district, people present there will be vaccinated by reaching shopping malls and hotels 3 days a week. In this process will run from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Its aim is to quickly achieve the target of 100% vaccination of the population. In district Jammu, on Friday, Saturday and Sunday, medical teams will do vaccination by reaching big hotels and malls. Way Mall, Big Bazaar, City Care, Hotel Radisson, Walmart, Best Price and Eden Restaurant, Bahu Plaza have been selected in the first phase.
That's all for today's bulletin. For more, stay updated with the news now.